Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have something special to unbox. The go-to mouse for almost all content creators, the Logitech MX Master 3S. A powerhouse of productivity and precision. In this video we'll discuss the features and benefits of owning this product. I've heard a lot of great things about this mouse. I'm excited to see what's inside, so let's dive right in. First off, let's take a look at the packaging. The sleek black box with some key features on the back and the MX Master 3S image on the front sets a tone for what's inside. And here it is, the MX Master 3S, elegantly nestled in its protective foam. The weight feels just right, substantial but not too heavy. The MX Master 3S boasts a premium build quality. The graphite finish is both professional and stylish. The economic shape fits comfortably in your hand, making long hours of work a breeze. Let's look at some features. Quiet clicks. The quiet clicks technology ensures a satisfying tactile feedback without disturbing your colleagues or family during late night work sessions. 8K DPI tracking. The 8000 DPI optical sensor tracks flawlessly on any surface, even glass. The mag speed scroll wheel. This electromagnetic scroll wheel is precise enough to stop on a pixel and scrolls up to 1,000 lines per second. Plus, it's nearly silent. Customization with the Logi Options app allows you to tailor the mouse to your workflow. Set app-specific customizations, adjust tracking, sensitivity, and even flow between devices seamlessly. Long battery life gives you up to 70 days on a full charge, and a quick 1-minute charge gives you 3 hours of use. Let's talk about some benefits of owning the MX Master 3S. Productivity boost, so the precision and customizable buttons enhance your productivity. Say goodbye to repetitive tasks. Ergonomics, your hand will thank you. The MX Master 3S is designed for comfort during those marathon work sessions. Cross-device flow. Switch seamlessly between your computer and laptop using the Logitech Flow. Copy on one, paste on the other. The setup process. So setting up the MX Master 3S is a breeze. Simply connect the included USB dongle to your computer or use Bluetooth for a wireless connection. Quality investment. Investing in a high quality mouse pays off in the long run. The MX Master 3S is built to last. And there you have it, the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse. If you're serious about productivity, this mouse is a game changer. I absolutely recommend giving this mouse a go. If you enjoyed this unboxing video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech unboxing and reviews. Until next time, stay productive.